Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question reverse vowel of a string. And the question statement is given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O and U, and they can appear in both lower and upper cases more than once. So the question is they will give us a string like here it is H, E, double L, O, right? We are not supposed to bother about this constant. We will only bother about this vowels. We will reverse this and we will return the output. It will be H O double L E like this. It is our output, right? In our second example, it is lead code. Lead code. So it can be uppercase, lowercase, both. So we will consider both cases. I am writing here in upper cases. So it is vowel. We will copy this, copy the constants, and we will reverse this double E O E, right? It will be E O double E, E O double E, right? This one, right? So our logic will be we will store this vowels A E I O U, A E I O U, and the upper cases A E I O U, and we will make it one. Every in a in an array we will make it the value will be one, and others constant or vowel you can say will make it 0. So if there will be something else like h or some other constants, it will be 0, right? But when there will be these vowels, it will be 1. And we will start finding from the initial position. We will find first vowel from the start, and we will find first vowel from the end. It will be first will be E. Here in this example, H E L L O. First vowel will be E, and the first vowel from the last will be O, and we will swap this value until when start will be greater than or equal to end. Like here, first vowel will be E, and the last will be also this E. So we will swap this one. Again, first will be this E, and last will be this O. We will swap this one. Like this, we will find our solution. So let's see the code part. Here it is our starting position, it is our end position as size -1. It is character vowels for storing the values of the constant and vowels. We are only storing the values of vowels to 1 and others to 0. Like here, we are finding first vowels from the start and the first vowel from the end. And when we get this one, we swap these values and we increase the start and decrease the end value. We will do until we will get start is equal to end or start is greater than end, and we are also checking it in every while loop. Start is less than end, and in the last we will return the our output. Let's run this code. It is running. Thank you.